Okay, team, what we want to accomplish here is get the audience that we want to come to us, right? So that's the goal. The only way we can do this without paying for advertising on LinkedIn is actually comment on people who are already engaging with other creators who are within the same niche. So you want to make sure that you are commenting on other people's profiles that are interested in what you are trying to create, right? So let me show you an example of what I did so you can replicate the results. So because I started following Justin Welsh, I've also came across Daniel Abrahams, I came across Jasmine Alich, I came across Richard, Harry. This is one of the pages that I actually follow. Chris Dew, Hassan, Dina, Alex, all these people, right? So I started following them, and the way I do this is I'm gonna open this actually in another window. You see at the very top, I have his profile. So his profile, and then recent dash activity / all / right? So I have this whole URL because what I want to see is what is it that he is posting, right? So I can comment on that. Now, my spreadsheet, as I said, looks like this. I follow a lot of people. Down the road, I'm going to eliminate some. I might follow some new ones, but my goal is to pay attention to who these people are, because for us, we want people who are in business, right? So we are not looking for employees. We are really looking for people in business who want to advertise, who want to grow their business, establish their business. That is our audience. So just keep that in mind when you are creating your list. And I just do it in a spreadsheet. I bookmark that onto my navigation menu in Chrome. So every day I can go to all of these people's accounts, see what they did, comment on the post. That's it. So I don't have to search for my creators. And another thing is, and this is just something to mention, as you're creating these, what you want to do is start connecting with these people as well. So you want to start creating your own network. And they're going to notice you if you comment really good comments on their posts, right? So just pay close attention to that, see who's reaching out, okay? Let's move on to the next step.